In the journey from your overseas factory to your warehouse, there's always the risk that your products and packaging might get damaged. Now, the overseas shipping journey is long, and sometimes we see consumer product brands where they've had thousands of dollars worth of damage to their products because their cartons weren't able to withstand improper handling during the journey. Now, this type of damage could have been avoided if they had appropriate checks in place to verify carton strength. So, how do you guard against carton damage? Well, carton drop testing is a tool that you can use to verify the strength of your cartons so that you don't end up with any surprises. Let's talk about how a carton drop test works. The accepted international standard for carton drop tests is called ISTA 1A. Now, during this test, one of your full cartons is dropped from a specific height 10 different times. It's dropped at different angles as well. It's dropped on a corner, it's dropped on 3 different edges, and it's dropped on 6 faces of the carton. The height of the drop depends on the weight of the carton. So for example, a package that weighs 21 pounds, you would drop it from a height of 30 inches. Now if it weighs 100 pounds, then you drop it from 12 inches high. And once the 10 drops are completed, you open up the carton and check for any damage to the carton. You check for damage to the packaging inside and check for damage to your actual products. And if there's any damage to any of that, then the test fails. Now, you can carry out these tests using specialized equipment, but during a normal pre-shipment inspection, our inspectors generally drop the boxes manually. So, what do you do if your cartons can't pass the test? Well, first, you need to ensure that you're specifying packaging that has a high enough burst strength. Burst strength is measured in pounds per square inch, or PSI. And we recommend using master cartons that have a burst strength of 200 PSI to protect against rupture. Master cartons that meet this standard should generally have a seal that specifies their burst strength on the bottom side of the carton. Now, conducting a drop test during your inspection can help ensure that your cartons meet the packaging standards that you've specified. Ideally, you want to specify strong cartons and good packing materials before you begin your first production run. But if you've already started and found that you're having issues with product damage, it may be time to step back and take a look at your packaging specifications, or lack of specifications, and determine the appropriate solution. So you can conduct carton drop tests to help ensure that the packaging that you're specifying is going to survive the shipping journey. And then also on future production runs, you can conduct these tests as part of a pre-shipment inspection to verify that your standard is being met. So those are our tips for carton strength and carton drop testing. Give us a like to show support and subscribe for more quality control tips. If you'd like to learn more about how we conduct inspections, take a look at these videos on your left, right over here, and also right there. Yeah. So take a look at those, and we look forward to seeing you back here again soon at Insight Quality Services.